Let's do an eyeshadow look inspired by Padmé Amidala's Lake Dress. Soft colors are the key to this Padmé look. First, take Dusty Rose and apply it in your crease. If you have hooded eyes, put it in your fake crease. Blend with a clean brush. Take Smoky Quartz with an all-over eyeshadow brush and tap it onto your lid. Tapping lets you deposit more sparkle. Use a smudger brush with Frozen Iris or Sweet Plum if you have a deeper skin tone. Apply it as your accent. If you'd like to see my hooded accent tricks, hop over to my hooded eyeshadow video. Be sure to blend well. Use the tip of an all-over brush with Biscotti to highlight your brow bone and inner corner. Use Merlot and a damp eyeliner brush and lay your eyeliner just above your lashes. Finish off your Padmé look with any other cosmetics you like to wear from day to day. I went with lashes, lips and brows, and foundation. Who likes bonuses? Let's talk about a hairstyle inspired by Padmé's daughter Leia. Recreate her famous hairstyle at home with a couple of ponytail holders and some hair donuts. I got mine at the Dollar Tree. Part your hair down the middle, make a pigtail on each side, and slip the donut over it. Roll up your hair donut as usual, and then secure it with bobby pins. One on each side will give you that classic Leia look. Hit like and subscribe to see more videos. Then follow me on other platforms at KY Redhead MK.